It basically gets gradually harder as you go right.
Nice footwork.
Good. Stand up on that. Good holds up higher.
That was terrible form, but I did it.
I love climbing. I could watch it all day. Sure, yeah.
What a move, ladies and gentlemen.
Nice.
Whoa. So I'm getting stuck. Yeah. Hey, Wolf, good work, man.
Nice, Wolf.
Give us a wave, Andy. Give me a wave.
Wow.
I think that anyone's actually climbed this without stick clipping. Fucked up.
You gotta do something with this rope. The one on your left side.
Wait, why don't you go on my right? Yeah, I knew this was gonna be hard.
Oh man. You were just flying.
I shouldn't have taken it.
I thought it was gonna be that hard all the way up.
I'm gonna try this sequence again.
Okay.
Oh, lower just a little bit. A little bit more. Okay.
It's just because you're so badass, it wasn't an issue.
Nice. Well done, Andy.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
11C.
This doesn't look great.
In that way.
Oh. Yeah, we'll get a photo.
Walking on this.
What?
We did so much yesterday.
They
look like they are.
Is it? Architects.
Oh, actually, this says it is. Oh,
Yeah, leave architects in place.
don't step on it.
Hieroglyphics.
So, holy cow, people were 12 hours yesterday?
How much light you all gonna get?
Yeah.
I would say sprouts.
Right. Oh.
Well, I'm thinking of food.
Huh, they changed this.
Maybe you need to think of
There's a 5.3 and a 5.4. It's like scrambling like this. Placing gear. Yeah, I think that will work.
I don't know if my hips will make it through that.
I'm up where Jim is.
Yeah, it's fine. It is a 5.3.
Yeah. I could also climb it first because it's 100 feet, so one rope you can still get down. No, not recover. You can still get lowered off, back down, and walk off.
So it's got to be, equalized, done.
Oh, I could try putting a camera in there. Or you
Okay.
yeah. Oh, not my hands. My hands are not.
Yeah,
They're loose. Oops, that's bad. It's not a perfect line. So, my nuts help. Like, if you look at this, there's a lip keeping it in. It's so, at least on that side.
No, it's not. It's like a 5 meter.
Oh, that's nice.
It's pretty positive, I guess.
It looks good from here.
Got in that pocket.
You know, for climbing, having climbed
lost
so
something,
long,
honey?
I know very little about rocks.
I can get it to stick, but it's not. It's under cam. It's not.
Right here.
It's not. It's not. The force is gonna break this piece. It's not pushing it out.
Right. So you want it to be somewhere. Do you kind of prep it before you go in, and then kind of gauge?
You pull it.
Okay.
About halfway.
Like there.
So those lobes are not touching. They're not in contact.
We're not in contact.
And you want the lobes equally in contact.
Oh, equally. Okay, I see. So. Oh, there's a chipmunk running down the ledge.
Maybe we should do it again.
There's two probably.
Why not?
Chipmunk there.
Oh, it's right there. Look, it's coming out. Bye bye.
Oh, you know what? Don't let it eat our bags.
Oh yeah, I might. That's why I might try to do.
I
Huh?
think it's coming down to do that. Okay, it's just a tiny little chipper.
Raggedy one and a well-fed.
Big part is only touching a little bit, whereas like your initial placement, like it seems to have more contact.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Nice, Jen.
Take!
Yeah.
Nice, well.
Work. How'd you like that roof?
No, it's not really weird.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice, Wolf. Come on. Cool. Yeah.
Nice, Will.
Nice.
And it's just straight up.
Yeah. Yeah, straight up.
Cross your feet. Ledge.
Holly. Holly,
Oh, this is a good
give us a wave.
leg. Yeah.
There you go. That's it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shit. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You got it, keep going. Yep, work your
You
way out.
got it.
Yep, yep.
Nice, Lionel. Wow. That was like a gazelle.
Behind you. Oh, you can walk in one?
Yeah.
I'm just going.
I really like slab.
Gemma, are you going to climb this?
Holly, I think you have nerve system.
The red piece.
Nice, Gemma.
There's too much energy. Just leave it for later. Alright. Yeah. It's going to be muscular. Keep going. Keep going. It'll get easier when you get on top of that. Yeah. Alright. Did it.
Woohoo! You did the croc.
You want me to drop you or not?
Just no, slowly. Oh, my toe. Oh, for God's sake. My knees, my toes, and my ankles.
Are you okay? Oh, that's the moon.
Mr. Rabbit! Hi! Hi, Mr. Rabbit!
Are we meeting you there?
It's called the all you can eat.
What is it called? Is it the Concord fallacy?
Because, I mean, it's warm, but I didn't say it was going to be hot. What do you think?
Is it COVID snake?
Yeah, I guess.
Ooh, look at that.
Using this. Gemma thinks I look like Charlotte.
Wow.
Oh my
Your
God.
face like it's plastic.
How long are you supposed to be on for?
5 minutes.
I think it's been past 5 minutes. You can pick it up. Oh.
Clarity over.
Yeah, I'm okay with this board.
Yeah.
It's faster. It's probably.
Hey, how's it going today? Good, and you?
bushwhacking. This is where. It's not as crowded as the other one.
Nice. Holly.
You wanna help me up more? Nice, Andy. That overhang is
How much in? Flat.
But I left the draw right below it.
So you're gonna have to make it up, Gemma.
Oh wait, Alright, see.
Wow, Andy. Well done.
I'll ask you not to talk to me.
Sure.
Because otherwise I'll think you're trying to tell me something important. I'll focus.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand. Shadow puppets.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's a wolf.
Oh,
He made you.
kind of octopus wolf.
An octopus wolf.
Where was the parting door?
Nice. You did so well.
So what do you think of my anchor?
Huh?
What do you think of my anchor?
Yeah.
I guess that's why you gave me the name.
You can change that.
You're still going.